Today, I'll be walking you through how to resize an image using Photoshop 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust your photos to fit any project, whether you're prepping graphics for social media, printing out a new poster, or just organizing your personal photo collection. Resizing may sound simple, but doing it right ensures your images look crisp, professional, and exactly how you need them. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Photoshop 2024 on your computer. If you're using it for the first time, just locate the icon on your desktop or search for it in your applications. Give it a moment to load up. Photoshop can sometimes take a little while, especially if it's pulling up your previous projects or plugins, so don't worry if things pause for a few seconds. Once you're in, let's select the image you want to resize. Go up to the top left corner and click on File. Then choose Open. This will bring up your file browser, where you can look through your folders and find the photo you want to work with. Once you've selected it, hit Open, and your image should pop up in the main workspace. If you're not sure which image layer to use, maybe you're working with something you've edited before, just check the Layers panel on the right. You'll probably see multiple layers if you've added text or effects in the past. Click on the specific image layer. This makes sure you're actually resizing the picture itself, and not any floating objects or extra edits sitting on top. If your Layers panel isn't visible, just go to Window at the top and make sure Layers is checked. Now, before we jump into the resizing itself, let's make sure we're looking at your image in the best way possible. Click View in the top menu bar. Here, you can adjust how big your preview is, zoom in for detail, or zoom out to see the whole picture. This step helps you double-check which parts of the image will be affected when you resize. For instance, if you have any borders or text embedded in your picture, it's nice to get a clear view. Ready for the actual resizing? Look for the option that says Image Resize. In Photoshop 2024, this is straightforward. Just go to Image in the menu bar, then choose Image Size. Sometimes folks get this mixed up with canvas size, but for changing how large or small your image is overall, image size is the one you want. When you click this, a new window will pop up. Here's where you'll set the precise dimensions you need, whether it's for Instagram, a poster, or a website thumbnail. Take a look at the fields labeled Width and Height. You can choose to type in your desired pixel measurements, or switch the units to inches, centimeters, or whatever format best fits your needs. There's a small chain icon next to these fields. This locks the proportions so your image doesn't get stretched out of shape. Unless you need to change the aspect ratio, it's best to leave this checked. If you want to maintain image clarity, make sure to use a value that's not extremely larger than the original. Upscaling huge amounts can make things blurry, while reducing size too much might lose details you care about. Once you've set your dimensions and double-checked everything, go ahead and click OK. Photoshop might take a couple seconds to process depending on your computer speed and the image resolution. Don't worry if it's not instant. When it's done, you'll see your resized image in the workspace. Take a closer look. Zoom in, scroll around, and make sure everything looks right. Now, just save your work and you're good to go. That's it. Resizing an image in Photoshop 2024 is simple once you get the hang of it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like. And if you have any questions or want advice on more Photoshop tricks, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy editing.